Hi everyone, welcome to SHSIR classes. Today in this video we have to draw 325-degree angle by using protractor. So let's start the video. First of all, we have to draw here a straight line of any length. So first drawing here a line. Next pointing out here to draw 325-degree angle on this point. Now putting the protractor on the line by this way perfectly. Now counting the angle. So this is up to 180-degree angle, but we have to draw 325-degree angle. So we have to add angle 140 degrees. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, and this is 145. So if you add 145-degree angle with 180 degree, then we can get 325-degree angle. So now joining this to get 325-degree angle. Okay, so we got 325-degree angle by joining this. So this is angle PQR. So angle PQR, so this is angle PQR, and this is 325-degree angle. So therefore angle PQR equal to, we can write 325-degree angle. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks.